Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today fix the problem for how to fix Microsoft storage and not working in Windows level. Then step is step for it to solve this problem. Okay. Then go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows Store apps. Okay. Go to click to the search bar. Search the settings. Click to open. Search the Windows Store apps. You see the found and fix the problem with Windows Store apps. We will click to set it to click to the next option. See the detected the problems. Then wait. This is the troubleshooters cannot identify the problem. Then this is a no problem. You will go to open the Microsoft Store. This is the problem for fix it or not fix it. You will get check. Okay. Or fix it to get installed in apps using anymore. Okay. Or not opening to not working or not opening anyone to you can do second step for reset the Microsoft Store. Click to the search bar, search the run, click to enter to see the wsreset.exe. You will click to open to okay to you will see the automatically open the Microsoft Store. You will get installed the any applications. Okay. Then anyone doubt open the comment then thank you for watching.